Hello and welcome my dear students. In this video we will solve this question from the topic nuclear atom. In which set do all these species contain more electrons than neutrons? So let's see. First option, A option, 14N. This is the nuclear symbol of nitrogen atom and this superscript shows the mass number. 14 is the mass number and mass number is equal to number of neutrons plus number of protons. So we can write like this, 14 is equal to N plus P. So nitrogen has atomic number 7 and atomic number is equal to number of protons. So number of protons are 7. We will put here the value of protons, number of protons, and by solving this equation we can calculate the number of neutrons. So number of neutrons are equal to 7 and here no charge is written in this nuclear symbol, which means number of protons are equal to number of electrons and number of protons are equal to 7. So which means number of electrons are 7 and number of neutrons are also 7, which means number of electrons and neutrons are equal. So we have to find the option in which all the species contain more electrons than neutrons. So this is the wrong option. And this B option also contains 14N, which means this is also the wrong option. Next is 14 and 3 negative. 3 negative charge means number of electrons are more than the number of protons by 3 because charge is equal to 3. So number of protons are we have already written here 7. So number of electrons will be equal to 10. So here you can see that number of electrons are 10 and number of neutrons are 7. Number of electrons are more than number of neutrons. So this is right. Next is 16O2 negative. 16O2 negative. So here 2 negative charge is there, which means number of electrons are 2 more than number of protons and atomic number is equal to 8, which means number of protons are equal to 8. So we will put here the value of protons, number of protons. So number of electrons will be equal to 10 and this is the mass number, which means number of neutrons plus number of protons and number of protons are 8. So number of neutrons will be equal to 16 minus 8, which means number of neutrons are 8 and number of electrons 10. So here also number of electrons are more than number of neutrons. Next is 11C. No charges here, which means electrons, number of electrons are equal to number of protons and atomic number of carbon is 6, which means number of protons are equal to 6 and number of electrons are equal to number of protons, so they are equal to 6 and this 11 shows the mass number, which means number of neutrons plus number of protons equal to 11 and we will put here the value of P, number of protons, 6. So N plus 6 is equal to 11, which means N is equal to 11 minus 6, that is 5. So you can see here number of neutrons are 5 and number of electrons 6. So number of electrons are more than number of neutrons. So this is also the right species. So in this C option, all the species have contain more electrons than neutrons. So answer should be C option. Let's check the mark scheme. Yes, you can see here mark scheme also shows that C option is right. So this is how we can solve these types of questions. If still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.